The 12-volt battery in your Tesla Model Y powers essential auxiliary systems like lights, infotainment, and power windows when the car is off. Unlike the main battery, it's a smaller, traditional lead-acid or newer lithium-ion battery that recharges from the main battery while driving. Maintaining its health is crucial to avoid unexpected issues. We'll be covering the fundamentals of how to check the 12-volt battery health so you can stay on top of any potential issues. The 12-volt battery is located in the frunk or front trunk area of the Model Y. It's a separate component from the main high-voltage battery pack, designed to handle auxiliary functions like the infotainment system and lighting. While the main battery pack provides the power for driving, the 12-volt battery handles the vehicle's electrical systems independently. This separation ensures essential functions remain operational even when the main battery is depleted. Tesla typically uses lead-acid 12-volt batteries, but some recent models feature lithium-ion alternatives. These newer batteries offer improved reliability and faster recharging from the main battery during drives. Healthy 12-volt battery voltage typically ranges from 12.6 to 13.2 volts when fully charged. Monitoring this value helps identify potential health issues before they become serious problems. Tesla's software is designed to warn you about potential 12-volt battery problems. A 12V battery low alert on your dashboard or phone app indicates the voltage has dropped below 12 volts. A service-required message may appear if it falls below 10 volts, potentially preventing startup. Typically, these alerts will trigger at 11.5 volts or below. Don't ignore these warnings. They signal a need for testing or potential replacement. Tesla provides a convenient way to check your 12-volt battery health through the touchscreen. Navigate to Vehicle, Service, Battery Health to view the voltage and estimated health percentage. For example, 80% indicates moderate degradation. This provides a quick snapshot, but manual testing offers a more precise assessment. In late 2025, Tesla released V12.5 of its firmware, which includes enhanced diagnostics for the 12-volt system. For a detailed assessment of the 12-volt battery health, use a digital multimeter. First, access the battery under the hood by removing the frunk trim panel. Once the frunk trim is removed, locate the 12-volt battery. Set your multimeter to DC voltage measurement mode. Connect the red probe to the positive terminal and the black probe to the negative terminal of the battery. A fully charged 12-volt battery should read between 12.6 volts and 13.2 volts. Readings below 12 volts indicate a low charge or potential issues requiring attention. If you're not comfortable working with electrical components, seek professional help to avoid injury or damage. Parasitic drain occurs when systems draw power even when the car is off. To test for parasitic drain, disconnect the negative battery cable and connect the multimeter in series between the cable and negative terminal. Measure the current draw. It should ideally be less than 0.1 amps. Higher readings suggest a fault that needs investigation. A forensic analysis by independent mechanic Eric O. on a 2021 Model Y found a faulty infotainment module causing 0.5 amp drain. Load testing simulates accessory usage to check battery performance under stress. Connect a load tester to the battery terminals and apply a load to simulate accessory use. Monitor the voltage. It should remain above 10 volts under load. A significant voltage drop indicates reduced capacity and the need for replacement. This can also be simulated by turning on the headlights for a brief period and observing the voltage. Normal voltage readings, typically between 12.6 and 13.2 volts, indicate a healthy 12 volts battery that can properly power the vehicle's auxiliary systems. However, readings below 12 volts or excessive parasitic drain over 0.1 amps suggest potential problems that require attention. Common causes of 12-volt battery issues include sulfation from infrequent use, overdischarge that damages the battery chemistry, exposure to extreme hot or cold temperatures, and faulty electrical modules causing parasitic drain. In early Model Y vehicles, parasitic drain was a rampant issue, affecting up to 15% of units due to software glitches and manufacturing defects. However, Tesla's software optimizations have helped reduce the amount of parasitic drain considerably. Tesla recommends annual checks of the 12-volt battery, as they typically last between 4 and 6 years. Keep in mind that misdiagnosis can lead to unnecessary replacements, so the fundamentals stress using calibrated tools for accurate testing. Looking ahead, the future of 12-volt battery technology in Tesla vehicles points towards significant improvements. Lithium-ion 12-volt batteries are emerging as a more efficient alternative to traditional lead-acid units. Automotive engineer Sandy Munro predicts that Tesla will integrate lithium-ion 12-volt batteries by 2027, offering better efficiency and reliability. Consumer Reports advises Tesla owners to regularly check their 12-volt battery health, treating it like routine vehicle maintenance. Tesla's VP of Engineering, Drew Baglino, has stated that over-the-air software updates have dramatically reduced 12-volt battery issues. To ensure the longevity of your Model Y's 12-volt battery, stay informed about updates and be proactive with maintenance. By 2030, experts predict widespread adoption of solid-state 12-volt batteries for electric vehicles, offering twice the lifespan and faster charging capabilities. Understanding these future trends and expert insights will help you maintain your Tesla Model Y more effectively.